Multilogin is a reliable solution for running multiple Amazon accounts. In this video, we'll guide you step-by-step in managing and creating your accounts. Start by logging into your workspace. To manage Amazon accounts, you'll need isolated browser profiles. Click Create to get started. Give your profile a clear name. Add pre-warmed cookies to make your profile look more natural and trusted to Amazon. Assign a dedicated built-in proxy for each account. This ensures every profile has a unique IP and online identity. Choose the exact proxy location for your proxy. This allows you to appear as a local seller in specific markets. Verify that your proxy is working and your IP location matches your intended setup. Organize your workspace by adding tags and notes. This makes it easy to group and filter multiple accounts. Adjust advanced options like time zone, WebRTC, storage type, and fingerprinting if needed. Click Create Profile to save and add the browser profile to your workspace. Let's launch our profile. A Whoer IP page will open with detailed information about your profile. From here, you can go to the Amazon website and log in or create a new account to start managing them. After you set up your account, it's time to scale. You can enable quick AI actions to automate repetitive setup steps. If you need additional unique profiles with the same settings, simply clone your first one. Each cloned profile stays fully isolated. Choose how many new profiles you need. Each one will be isolated but have the same settings. In just a few minutes, you have a large number of profiles that you can start working with. By managing multiple Amazon accounts with Multilogin, you can scale your business and expand into different markets with multiple stores. Thanks for watching. Want to learn more about Multilogin? Visit our website and explore our YouTube channel. Get started today.